Hey guys, welcome back to JPT. I'm Carson G and this is Just Plain Tech. In today's video, again, this is kind of another remaster of one of my ancient videos that I look back on and I'm like, seriously? Like, was I that bad? Was I really that bad? Anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up and customize your Grub menu. Grub is the Linux bootloader, which right now it might look pretty messed up. There might be a ton of options that you don't know what they do or you don't even want them there. You just want a clean setup where it gives you the operating systems that you have to boot into and everything else is in a separate menu that isn't just bothering you. And in this video, I'll also show you how to set a background for your Grub menu, which is kind of cool. Let's do it.
Alright, once you're on your computer, you're going to want to use the secret terminal command, Control-T, because nobody knows that command exists. Although everybody that uses Linux uses it. Okay, so we're going to type in sudo apt-get install grub-customizer. And that will install Grub Customizer for us. I already have it installed, but you can run that command if you don't already have it installed. Anyway, so once you have it installed, we're going to open it. And of course, we'll have to enter our password. And now, here is Grub Customizer. Depending on the speed and power of your computer and how many operating systems you have on your hard disk, this may take a while to load. I'll get back to you when it's done. Alright, now we got all that loaded up. Now you see that we have all of this. And we don't want it. I only have Ubuntu, FairOS, and Slackware on here. I don't want any of this other stuff. So, what I'm going to do is I have this advanced options submenu, but if you don't have it, you can just do create submenu and then type in advanced options. Whoops. Alright, so when you get on there, it should look something like this. All these weird options and then all these advanced options folders down here. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a submenu and name it advanced. Sorry, I'm typing with one hand. Advanced options. Okay, there we go. And now we can just go to these other sub-menu folders and just, press that up arrow. And then we have everything to the right of this arrow right here. That means it's under this menu. So we've taken care of that. Alright, and now that we have more up here that we don't want, see like this, we can just move it down under that advanced options sub-menu. Boom. Now we have Ubuntu, FairOS, Slackware, advanced options with all this weird stuff, and then all the other advanced options that it has like 15 of the same thing for. There we go. Now we're going to go to appearance settings, and we are going to do background image right here. And I have mine downloaded, and for whatever reason, it isn't letting me open it. Where do I have to... Okay, fine. I'll go to File System, Home, Carson, Downloads, and I'll do that. There we go. So now you see that we have... That's just the background I got off the internet. But it is a pretty cool background, in my opinion. So, highlighted font. You could choose magenta, but I'm not such a huge fan of magenta. So, I'm kind of gonna do light green, because that's what I like. Oh, yeah. Oh, actually. Okay, there we go. And then everything else is gray. So, see, we got that all taken care of. And that's nice. So, we can just click save. And then it should look all nice. You'll have a nice, beautiful Grub menu and everything.
I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Also make sure to subscribe to ASAP Used Memes channel. And if we can get him to 100 subscribers, him and I will do a gaming showdown. So that's going to be pretty cool. Definitely subscribe to him so that can happen. We'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.